Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today we did a model of the seismic loading over a steel frame with X-shape reinforcement, X-shape as a pipe, and here we have weld condition. And let me check it in XY view. See here, this is the column, this is the column, this is the beam, and these are the steel X-shape reinforcement, and these are the plates that we use weld condition here and here for both two floors. Let me check it in this view, then click on stress and then click on the animate. You can see the stress in H cycle. You can see here the deformation here is too much, and after that see we have this huge deformation. It means the first the second floor is filled. Let me again click on animate. See here we have full failure here because it is collapsed. You can see here, see the deformation is too much here also. Let me check this here also here, and totally it is fail under this cyclic loading. We can check AC yield for it. This is the yield criterion. You can see it better now. You can see the column is failed at the end. See here the yielding element. We can use ductile damage at the stiffener zones, plastic strain, stress, displacement, or anything else, and then the hysteresis diagram for this. In low cycle, it is failed. You can see the deformation here. See that deformation is too much. Let me again check the ACL. And this is the final frame. Now let me replace just the beam and columns here. Check the stress for them. Check the plastic strain at the joint happen, shear stress, and then the ACL again. See the ACL for this. Now let's replace all and remove this. Check just the reinforcement. Request stress. See the deformation here, the buckling, local buckling. The local buckling happen here and here. And then you can see this rotation, and the model completely failed. See, this rotation means the model failed. So, if you are interested to model cyclic loading over a steel beam column with reinforcement X-shape as a pipe, these are the pipe, we use two pipe as the reinforcement, X-shape reinforcement in the steel brace structure. You can come to our website here, abaqusfem.com. Find the English tutorial here, then you will have title, geometry, material, step interaction, and then the result as the figures. You can provide CAE, INP, and English video file step by step, and we use a PayPal account, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Before payment, contact me to this email. And after providing this tutorial, if you have any questions regarding the tutorial or your project, we will be able to answer your questions, and you can send your questions to our email address. We have also a full package here containing more than 400 tutorials. Here, all aspects of simulations and modeling. You can read here the main titles like explosion with 4 methods for all the materials in the papers, impact, welding, biomechanics, forming, crack soil, CFD, fluid structure, analysis, thermal structure, cyclical masonry, discrete method, pull-out test, composite material, concrete, steel, seismic analysis, electromagnetic, anything. You can buy this full package for a small budget. Just contact me to this email to tell you about this full package and payment method, and also the cost for this exceptional package. Contact me to this email. Okay, if you want this full package or this single tutorial, other tutorials on our website, send us an image. Send us an email, and then we will answer you quickly. Thank you for your attention.